We're back at Mirage spray painting and panel beaters for day 2. Today we're putting together Eurotrash. What's up with the twin brakes in the rear? That's cool. So I'm guessing that one's the hydraulic handle. Reaction shot, first seat in.
Yeah, shot.
Slowly coming together. We've got the boot on, just some little things, fuel cell, pedals, now the hydro. Shayla's just waiting for a donut burger that Dylan's recommended.
Hey yo!
Camera's there.
I'm probably making it harder for them. But what have you done today?
Pretty much fit up from front to back of the car.
So you got the boot on, doors.
Doors, all the interior, strut brace, fuel cell, tail lights, a lot.
What are we doing next?
Next day they'll be painting the new wheels, all the faces and that, and then hopefully when all the molds come from Russia, I can put all the overbody on it.
Yeah, because we're still missing these here, so waiting on the parts from Russia to fit them up. I'm looking forward to the engine. I want that to get dropped in.
COVID's holding me back.
It looks so good. Starting to see it come together properly now, even though you guys can't see the colour. It looks mint. The steering wheel in, and the rearview mirror. That looks sick. The hydraulic brake. Alright guys, we'll see you next time.